In this section, I'll focus more about the tools that can be used in social engineering. It's not really an attack section, but it will show you that you should not trust anything. Email can be spoofed. SMS can be spoofed. Mobile or a cellular number can be spoofed. So my point is, people trust email blindly. They receive an email coming from their manager, they will execute whatever is inside. They will never think that mail can be spoofed or faked. Same concept apply for SMS. You receive an SMS from your bank, you think SMS cannot be faked. It can be faked. Mobile number, it can be faked. So it's not really an attack section. It's more into the tools that is used into the attack. So if a malicious hacker utilize such tools, it will be very easy for him to convince anyone to do anything that he wants him to do. So if I send an email coming from your friend or from your manager, if you don't have enough background or you are not aware enough, you may be spoofed by this email and you will trust that the mail is coming from this sender. So the first demo I want to show you, it's the spoofed website or the fake, the spoofed email or the fake email. If you search on Google for fake email, you will see this specific website. This is a quite interesting website. It's free. It's very effective. Most probably it will go to your inbox if you don't have a proper mail setting. It may go to the junk, but it may go to the inbox. You can test it. You can fake an email showing it's coming from anyone to anyone, and you can attach whatever you want. You can send it in a text or as an HTML, so it will shows like, those messages coming from LinkedIn or from Twitters or this kind of thing. So using such tool, it's very, very convenient, and I don't know why they are keeping such website up and running, because actually this is very dangerous. So let's try a demo here. I'm going to send a mail that shows it's coming from John Smith, and I'm going to put an email, or let's make it, let's make it John Smith, and the mail will be coming from johnsmithabc.com. You can put anything you want. I can type G Smith at, for instance, msn.com, and we're going to send this email to myself. I'm going to send it to different email. So let's try with the mail that I'm using on my testing mobile. m.atif at gmx.com. at gmx.com, and let's type any subject, test email, and let me put any test email. Okay, so the point is that can I fake an email or not? Let's see. And I'm not a robot, and let's send it. Now he's saying that the email has been successfully sent. Let's see if this is the case. So I'm gonna get to my mobile. Now this can be used on mobile or a computer or whatever. And let's see, are we going to get anything or not? Let me refresh. Here you go. It's coming from John Smith, which it's not an existing person. And as you can see, it's showing that it came from John Smith, and this is his email to my email. So imagine what can be done using this tool, that you can convince someone that an email he received coming from his manager or his wife or his girlfriend or whatever was the case, and you try to convince him with whatever, it may show it's coming from Microsoft or it's coming from their bank. But I have to tell you, this is completely illegal, and in some country it's a federal crime. So it's not something to play with. If you are doing a proper penetration testing in any organization and you see you need to check if people, they have enough awareness that if they receive a suspicion email, they will verify, you can use these tools. Now, only one weakness we have in such tools. It's a one-way process. I mean, you can send an email showing that it's coming from someone. But what if the victim replied back? The reply will be going to the right person. That's why when people use such tools, they will never ask you to reply back. They will usually ask you to do something inside the email. Please click on the link. Please download the attachment. But they will never ask you to reply back, sending them your credential or any kind of information. So if you receive an email and you are suspecting that this is a fake email, you can try to reply back. Ask him, did you send me this email? This will be going to the website. And same concept apply for any spoof technique. If you received a fake mobile or a fake phone call from a fake number, you can try to disconnect and call them back, and so on. So this is one of the tools that if you use such tool with a technique that we explained in the previous lecture, it will give you an extremely good results. But one more time, this should be done in a proper frame if you are doing a penetration testing with the right approval.